Okay, it's your boy aka Mr. Sweat Umajuluka. Nginosisi wami la. Sisi wami, you probably asking yourself ukuthi usisi wakhe wenzani because uMajuluka uyi-artist. Sisi wami, she's also an artist, but yena wenza i-poem. And one thing I love about her i-dedication yakhe. Nendlela nje ayichaza ngakhona into yakhe yokuba uMrs. Poem. Nokuthi kungani decide ukuthatha lo hambo le journey yokwenza ama-poem. So I'm gonna allow her to tell you guys more about herself. Phinde igcizelele more about ama-poem wakhe ukuthi into yakhe isukaphi yaphi. So this is crazy.
Hi guys, mina ngithandaza KZN kodwa eGoli nguChris Isimalita girl. So ngibhala ama-poem ingane ena 17 ngena grade 11 ngibhala ama-poem and inspire usisi wami omncane. So mangibhala ama-poem ngisuke ngibhala indlela yami yokuthi ngibe happy ngitho abanye abantu mababuhlungu bayakhuza babhema notshwala babayidla kanana kodwa mina ngibhala ama-poem like it's my sense of healing, you understand. When everybody relapses, I'm just there writing it out, pouring it out, you understand. It's kind of my sense, it's my coping machine actually. So what inspires me to write is my system. So sometimes it all regards me, you know. They like most of my poems are dedicated to me, to what people do to me, to my surroundings, the environment, you understand. And people might take it in a bad way, but it's not even, you know that. So yeah.
Wow, I'm speechless. The way ingane ikhuluma khona, you like probably right now you're asking yourself, would no lengane no 17. uMajuluka nje nalengane bayasixhaphaza. Yeah, kunjalo guys. And into engichaza ngayo crazy. She was an artist ebecula i-hip hop last year, but this year uyakhula, like changing gears, moving forward. Wenza yona i-poem. Njengoba echaza niyezwa nano, you know, this is painful. Lama-poem wakhe senifuna ukuwezwa vele nawalangazelela. Like ama-poem wakho crazy, if I can ask a question.
Yes.
Ama-poem wakho wa-dedicate kubani, like angani most of the time. Mina ngiyawazi-ke, ngachaza nje kancane ukuthi said why you decide to ukubhala ama-poems asisha ingane encane.
I wouldn't say I write sad poems. The reason why they're sad is because of the surroundings, the environment. You know how some of us are born into this messy, corrupted environment. So it kind of like it corrupts us and everything. So when you are corrupted, you try to escape. You know, some things you can't just let them be. You gotta like get up, dust yourself, and fight through this world. You understand? So my poems I dedicated to my sister.